Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HONOR X60 Pro. You have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Then click on this button and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.